Okay, I'm gonna crack your toes now, okay?
Okay.
Alright, breathe, just let this go. One more time. Good, okay, now this is a pubic bone adjustment. You're gonna